August 12th, 2021. This one I got a call from a guy who says there's water leaking through his system, leaking through his ceiling from his AC. And it said the AC is cool and fine. That's not an issue there. I don't think there's a problem with the charge because he said it's cool and fine, cycling on and off the way it should. So, might be a blocked drain or something. Go check it out. Try to get you some shots.
It's been fixed.
Yeah, so it's leaked before.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go upstairs and look. There's water in the pan upstairs. I'm gonna put my vacuum on this thing, see if I can give it the how you doing. How you doing, Mama? Stuff in there. I'm gonna have to go upstairs and vacuum the trap out too.
You know, I never had a problem with this, but I had to have come in so really slow in the insulation. So they blew in the insulation. And it all over the place. I think it got into that perennial leak.
Water. That's a flat drain up there. Should have pitch on it. It's a flat drain. It gets all slimy and shit.
Now where it was leaking, you see that?
Yeah, I seen it. It was just dripping down there slowly. We're giving it a good cleaning now. Then we'll go upstairs and we'll check the trap.
It wasn't the blue. What's the blue unit?
That's a liquid line. It was running down here and then running down.
Oh.
Slowly. But before I started, this container was empty. I'm going to see how much water's in there. Quite a bit. There's a lot of water coming out of there.
So I called the company that put it in.
Yeah.
They're no longer in business.
Oh, really? That happens, yeah?
Little wonder.
Makes a difference with the vacuum on there. That's a lot of water. Wow. Wow, look at it all. That's a lot of water, guy. These guys do these battery operated ones, these little toys. I'd rather do the real thing with the power. Wow, more water in there. That's quite a bit of water we got out of there. A little bit more. A little pump here. We're going to suck some of this water out and blow it right down this drain. I'll just plug it in my light. They're both twin together here on the drains. I'll just cut this here. Put a couple on there for now. This thing's not even glued, no wonder why. Yo, how you doing, Mama? That shouldn't pop off, they'll blow right outside. It's not even glued. Was it glued? I guess so. Don't look like it's glued. Looks like the glue come off. I'll have to re-glue that. Yeah, it looks like the glue popped off. See the thing? It wasn't even glued on there right. I vacuumed all the stuff out of here, and we blew out the line, so it should be good now. I just have to re-glue this. I don't know if that's even connected. Don't look like it's connected, guy. No, it's not even connected. Wow. No wonder why. Okay, it's not even connected. Wow. That's scary. No wonder why it was leaking. See what I could do with that. Wow. That's a little funky. Alright, so I got two rubber washers that are going to go in there. This square piece of metal and a new nut. So that should sandwich it in there good. Then I'll re-glue it. I should do it. Well, I don't know. It doesn't seem right. It seems that flipping hole's awful big. I think it's supposed to screw in this way. Is it threaded? I think that's how it's supposed to go in there, like that. Like through a screw in like that. That's what it looks like to me. Can it go this way? I guess so. I don't know. I guess it could. Not ideal, but will it work? I guess so. Get it in there right. Not the ideal situation here, but I mean, until I get something else. For now, I'm gonna have to work. This is gonna have to do for now. It's a real shit show, man. It should work. I mean, it's nice and looks tight to me. Yeah, it should work. Can't make a Mercedes out of a Volkswagen. Yeah, that should be fine. I ain't going nowhere. I'll give it the old glue. Roux. Should be fine now because I got the thing all hopefully. I guess we'll find out, won't we? Guess we'll find out, won't we? That's the best it's gonna get for today, Mama. This is twinned into that pipe, so this was flowing down and the pipe going down was blocked and it was backing up into the pan. I got that reattached. I re-glued it. I put a couple in here. That won't leak. And we blew it all out. We should be good now. Yeehaw. My little pump here, just washing machine hoses. And I just took a 3/4 hose by 3/4 hose adapter. This is a piece of 1-inch OD. I like to use on that PVC. And it's 1-inch ID. Slips right over the PVC. And you just hook the hose into it and the other hose and suck the water out. Plug it in the drop light. I use this to dump out water heaters. It's a little pump. It's a little 110 pump. I rather use 110 than battery operated shit myself, because I got a drop light up there. And well, Miss Molly. Oh, Miss Molly.